Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a beautiful hair bow. We'll start by making a slip knot. Then make 23 chains. Once you have your chain, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Next, chain 2, skip 2 chains and make 1 double crochet in the next chain. Let's try this again. So we're going to chain 2, skip 2 chains and make 1 double crochet in the next chain stitch. Continue this pattern across the row. Chain 2, skip 2 chains and make a double crochet in the next stitch. On the last chain stitch, make 1 double crochet. To move to the next row, chain up 3 and turn your work. Then make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now, chain 2, skip 2 chains and make a double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern across the row. On your last stitch, make 1 double crochet on top of the chain 3 from the previous row. You continue the same pattern until you have 23 rows in total. Once you finish the last row, make 1 double crochet in the last stitch, fasten off and cut your yarn. For the second panel, follow the exact same step as the first panel, but this time you only crochet 20 rows instead of 23. Once you're done, fasten off and cut your yarn. Next, we make the center wrap for the bow. Start by making a slip knot and chaining 7. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet in the next stitch and in each stitch until you reach the end of the row. To move to the next row, chain 1, turn your work and continue making 1 single crochet in each stitch across. You repeat this pattern until you have 14 rows in total. Once you finish, fasten off and cut your yarn. Take the larger panel, fold it in half and make single crochet to join the ends together. You can decide to use a darning needle and yarn to sew them together. Take the tail end of your yarn and wrap it around the center of the bow. Take the second panel and join it to the first as you see me doing in the video. Once you're done, take your elastic band and place it on your bow. Once you're done, take the third panel and wrap it around your bow. Finally, make single crochet to join. Once everything is secure, leave in any loose end and your crochet bow is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.